I'll be sharing my digital art process on iPad in Procreate App. So let's get started. First of all, I'll select the canvas. I am selecting this customized canvas, the square one. I'll show you the canvas information. So you go to the wrench icon, canvas and canvas information. So I'll go to the dimensions and you can see it's 2048 pixels into 2048 pixels square, obviously because I would like to post it on Instagram. This is 300 dpi and RGB because it's mostly for online use. Now I'll quickly show you all the tools. The most important part of digital art, that are layers. I'll make a detailed video about Procreate soon, or if I have already posted it, I'll link it here. These are some other tools. There are multiple different tools, but you do not definitely need all of them. I'll show you during my process the whatever tools I'll be using, but these are the action menus. Those were adjustment tools, and so that you can share or add images and all those different things, selecting and moving things. Now first of all, I'll start with the sketch, but most probably I'll use my sketchbook sketch only as the sketch layer. So I'll import the image and adjust it to like fit it in the center. I'll be choosing this illustration. Make sure the snapping is on so that it's like centrally aligned and it's more like magnetic when you're moving it. So you see these blue lines, guiding. And now I'll add another layer on top using a custom brush for line art. I like doing the line art digitally. I'll reduce the opacity of the sketch layer first and lock it so that I don't accidentally draw on that. And on the new layer, I'll start with the line art. You can see the time-lapse process because it gets a little boring to see it in real time. And I personally watch a lot of Procreate videos, and mostly I speed it up. So I thought, why not just play a time lapse of this process. You do let me know if you enjoy watching the real-time line art video. I'll do that for the next ones. Comment down below. Now the line art is done. I'll name the layers sometimes I don't do that. I'll select the colors and add the layer on the sketch layer below the line art layer for the colors. And I'll just add the colors using the color drop feature and not actually using the pencil to color it. Sometimes I do that, but I'll do that later on while adding the shadows and highlights. Now on all the on the layer above all the colored layers, I'm going to add another layer and go and change it to multiply, the blend mode to multiply, and select this lilac, very soft pastel lilac shade to add shadows. So now I'm adding all the shadows and adding some textures and depth to the illustration and the background, the hair. Using this color, I don't have to change color again and again. Now I'm going to add another layer and I'm going to change it to soft light. Also, if you want to learn all the different ways of adding shadows and highlights, I've made a video. You can find it and watch it after this one. I'll be adding highlight using the white color on the soft light blend mode layer and going back and forth to both the layers and adding textures and more depth basically. And this is a voiceover, so you can understand. I'm like looking at the video and telling you what I'm doing or what I was doing. I also added those color texture thing, and finally exporting it as JPEG. I hope you found this quick digital art process video helpful. And this is the finished illustration. I think I forgot to erase the part from the t-shirt or to add the white color, but anyways, you get the point. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, obviously, if you want to see more digital art related stuff on iPad and Procreate app. Thanks a lot for watching, and comment down below your video suggestions, and don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed watching. Thank you.